Now we're ready to create the actual pegboard for the pegs to fit into. So again, I'm going to start a new standard.ipt part file. And I'm going to start my 2D sketch, again on the XY coordinate plane. And again, we're going to use the rectangle tool. And this will be dimensioned to a height of 0.75, a length of 5.75. Finish sketch. And again, we're going to extrude to a depth of 3. Okay, so we've got our initial object, and now we are going to add the holes on the top for our round and square pegs. So I'm going to start a new 2D sketch right on the top of the pegboard. I'm going to rotate this around. I'm going to project geometry, click in that rectangle again. So now it's outlined in yellow. And I'm going to start with the rectangle tool for the square peg hole. Put some dimensions on there. So it's going to be 1 inch by 1 inch. And then I need to add some dimensions to position the square. So I need to get some location dimensions. So from the top edge of my square to the top edge of my pegboard, pull that one over, that is going to be 1 inch. Then from the right hand edge of my square to the right hand edge of my pegboard is also 1 inch. So now my square hole location is fully constrained. So I'm going to add a spot for my circle peg. The diameter of that will be 1 inch. And then to put the location dimensions on here, I'm going to go from the left edge of the pegboard to my center point of my circle. Drag that dimension up. That will be 1.5. Then from the top edge of the pegboard to the center point of the circle, pull that one over. Should also be 1.5. This sketch is fully constrained, so I'm going to hit Finish Sketch and Extrude. And I'm going to click inside each of these. But I don't want solid extrusions. I want to cut that material away, so I'm going to choose the Cut option. And that would be fine. I could leave it like that. It would cut all the way through it, or I can just change it to All. And that will make a couple of holes for the pegs that we've created. So now we are going to save this as the pegboard. And next we will add some legs to the end of it.